I made it to Klamath Falls, and I think I posted before the troubles I had with that because of that big wreck. The semi-truck went over the edge. Anyway, so when I got here to my sister-in-law's, I noticed there's a nail or a screw or something in my tire of the truck. Brand new tires. So today's Sunday. I'm waiting for tomorrow when Les Schwab opens, and I'll get in there and get the tire fixed. So in the meantime, I'm just kind of putzing out here in the trailer. I got this wallpaper, that stuff, and I had some left over, so I put it up there on those cupboard doors just to kind of blend in a little bit. I was going to put it on the inside of these cupboards, but I'm afraid that it might look a little too choppy or boxed in, or I don't know. So maybe I'll just leave it alone. And that would require a lot of squatting down, and I don't do that so well. But I did get my canning from Glinda's, my sister-in-law, and there's a little box right back there that's got some more canning stuff in it. So I'm just kind of hanging out here, waiting for Les Schwab to open. Will be tomorrow at some point, get that tire fixed. In the meantime, I'm making pulled pork for pulled pork sandwiches tomorrow in the slow cooker. Right in here, I'll show you. Mmm. Looks good. Smells delicious. Too bad I don't have smell a camera, smell-o-vision. Yeah. So I got that going. Let me get this lid closed. Hang on. There. Anyway, so that's going. Got the little bit of wallpaper up. Like I said, I'm afraid to put too much more up because with the striped wallpaper or wood-looking wallpaper, and then the flower curtains back there, it might be too much. I don't know. I think I'm just, ooh, hi. I think I'm just bored and looking for something to do. Anyway, so I got that stuff cooking, hanging out, waiting, kind of been cleaning up out here. Fixed the drawer over there, the handle on it wasn't staying. So that's about it. I'll get to Les Schwab and get that tire fixed. It's supposed to rain, and I'm not one to drive in bad weather, so I may end up having to wait a couple days to head home, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, I will keep cooking that stuff and putzing around here and either get this video uploaded or add more to it later. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello. Well, I've been at my sister-in-law's for a day and in Klamath Falls, and I'm headed home. By the time you guys see this, I will have been home for a week, maybe more. Anyway, I'm pretty sure that Oregon really does hate me. In the process of hooking up the trailer this morning, the thing that you stand in front of and crank round and round to make the tongue of the trailer go up and down broke. Luckily it broke in the up position, so at the very least I can get home. And so yeah, I'm headed out, and I think I have figured this camera out up here so that it works and it has the voice. So I think I'll be using that from now on to do my videos while I'm driving home or driving anywhere. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.